Hi guys, I'm Miss Mandy. Let's do some crafts. Today's craft is a paper bag bird's nest. We're even going to make little birds. For that, we're going to need a paper bag, some little pom-poms, some googly eyes, some glue to put them on, and we're even going to add some little tail feathers. Any of these supplies that you need, you can talk to someone in Child Life and they'll get them for you. Let's get started. And the first thing we're going to do is take one of these paper bags, and this is going to be our nest. First thing, we are going to fold it down. If you roll the top, it kind of rolls over. You're starting to make your nest. Now that we have our nest made, let's fill it. We need to make it cozy. Mama birds love to make their nests really soft and comfortable for their babies. With twigs and grass and leaves, anything else they can find. So we're going to use another paper sack, and we're gonna shred it just like we'd be picking up leaves and things on the ground. We're going to be tearing these little papers and putting them in. And you can use anything for this. If you've got pieces of fabric at home, or if you've got little things that you want to hide in there, maybe you have treasures that you want to put in your little nest, you can do that. I think that birds probably do that a lot. They hide things in their nest. So what we're going to do, take these little strips of paper, make a really nice soft bed in there. See? That looks so comfortable. Look at that. I'd want to sleep in there. Here we go. That's perfect. So now we're going to make our little birds. And we do that with these pom-poms. They're so soft, just like birds. And we're going to use some feathers and some googly eyes. And you're going to need some glue for this. So we're going to take this glue, and it can be kind of sticky. So just get ready. Maybe it'll be a little messy, but that's okay. That's what art's about, and it's a lot of fun. So we're going to do our eyes first. And I'm going to take a little bit of that glue. And if you have a glue stick, or if you have a little bit of white glue, just regular glue, that's okay. Just be patient. It'll dry. But you gotta just stick it on there, let it stick, and be careful, it'll roll around on you a little, but that's okay. Stick this other one on there, and it's okay if they're even different sizes. That's okay too. This mama bird has big eyes. She's watching you. And now we're gonna give her a red tail. So she's gonna be a beautiful bird. So we're gonna just stick it right there on the back. See how sticky that is, but it's okay. Art's messy sometimes. I'm gonna stick it on there. What do you think? Think she's pretty? I think she's cute. So we're gonna let her dry just a little bit. Maybe we'll make another little baby. But it's a tiny little puffball and a tiny little eye. Maybe that's all we can see of him. And I don't even know if he's big enough to have a tail yet. Maybe he's too little. That's okay. Now that we have our cozy bed and we've made a couple of wonderful, beautiful little birds, we're gonna stick them in, tuck them in tightly in their really soft, wonderful bed. Give them some little buddies, give them some nice feathers, and some little friends. I think it's wonderful, and I hope you do too. I've had so much fun, and I hope you have too. And I hope you'll join us again on Channel 8 for more crafts. Thanks.